Wow. Wow. Stephen, I'm literally looking at you. Like, hi, I see you. Hello. Yeah. Hi. How do you like that flash? Is it burning your eyes? No, because it's not stopping you. Sir, I am looking at you.
No, okay. We got some raw ones I gotta make.
This is my hair wet a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. This is my hair wet.
What are you doing, buddy? Oh, sorry. Nothing much.
So we all know we've been wearing these masks the last couple of months, but did you ever wonder what was actually inside of them? You are not going to believe it. It's been cheese all along.
Yes? I know, you're trying to talk. Show me with the buttons, sweetie. Brush hair? Brush hair? Okay, let's brush your hair. Bring your hairbrush. Come on.
Oh, I love you. 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 I love you.
Hey guys, do you guys want to go get a bath? And then mommy can clip your nails? And then I know you don't like that, but then I can brush your teeth. And then for dinner, mama can give you green beans. And then we can go to the vet. And then we can go swimming in the pool. Does that sound good? No, you don't like those things? I know. But you do love Grandma's house? Yeah, and for a walk? And for a ride?
You got this, buddy. No, he's gonna make it. Oh, shit.
He tried.
Here, Bear. You okay? Where are you? He's mad.
Drowning?
No. Come on, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here and let me dry you.
Hey Milo, urgent request from you. Can you please show us your belly?
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
I don't have a favorite. I love all of the animals equally. But you're my favorite.
Got some weird feet for a raccoon. You got some weird feet, huh? Look at those feet. That looks like Sasquatch feet. Oh, you got Sasquatch feet on.
These guys desperately needed a bath after a move, so I thought I'd show you how to do that. Here I am just filling a sock with some raw oats. I put it over a cup to make it easier to fill. I use water a little warmer than room temperature, and I have a towel on the bathtub floor to keep them from slipping. Keep the water pretty shallow so that way they can still touch the bottom while they're in there. Make sure your socks are tied in a tight knot and add them to the tub, and now we are ready for the noodles. I use a cup to get them wet and try not to get their face. I like to squeeze the sock over them since we're not using soap, and I just kind of rub it in and rinse it out. Once your noodles are all clean, go ahead and take them out and dry them off. And then release them onto a towel. They will dry themselves off the rest of the way. And now you have a happy floof noodle. I hope this helped.
Hey, Chase. Can we take away Millie and give her to a new family, bud? Can we give her to someone who's gonna love her more? Why? Come on. She'll be okay. Come on, let us give her to someone who will take care of her. You want to keep her forever? Okay, you can keep her forever.
What a handsome boy I have, huh? In the name of Jesus, may the powers of Christ compel you. May the powers of Christ compel you, demon. In the name of Jesus, you are healed, demon.
You're a happy Billy? Happy Billy? Happy Billy? I'm a happy mom, too. Happy mom. Love you, Billy. Love you, Billy.
Krijgde.
Is it Daddy?
Dude, hey. Oh my. What? Unnecessary noise.